Hello everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this half-cut crease with wing eyeliner on my hooded eyes. First and most important step, I prep my eyes with this eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay. Never skip this step if you wear color eyeshadow. Eye primer will enhance the color and the longevity of the eyeshadow. I put it on my eyelid and blend it out with my finger. Next, I set the eye primer with the Laura Mercier setting powder. You can also use a skin tone eyeshadow to set it. This step will help the eyeshadow blend out effortlessly without looking patchy. For today's eye look, I used this purple from the Viseart palette with a blending brush from Dalim Tools. I pick up some eyeshadow and start blending it at my inner corner. Because I'm going for a half-cut crease today, I'm just blending only 2/3 of my eye. I'm not going all the way to the end of my outer corner. I'm blending it in wiping motion. Until I feel okay with the color, I clean my brush so there's no color left on the brush and puff out the edges, and then I use my finger to blend the purple into the skin even more. I don't want to see any harsh lines. Next, I use a small dense concealer brush to do the cut crease. The concealer I use today is the Josie Maran Vibrancy Argan Oil Full Coverage Concealer. You need a full coverage concealer to do the cut crease, as a light concealer cannot cover all the eyeshadow and the cut crease cannot look clean and sharp. The size of the brush depends on how much workplace you have. I have small eyes, so this size is perfect for me. If this is the first time you do the cut crease, just take a little bit of concealer to map out the cut crease to see if it looks good for your eye shape. For my hooded eyes, my lid space is very limited, so I draw the cut crease above the fold. I just make it a little bit higher than my fold to create an illusion that I have more lid space and I can still see the cut crease when looking straight to the mirror. If you cannot see the cut crease when looking straight, go higher but not too high, it will look unnatural. Go slow and always stop and look from a distance to see if the cut crease is in the right place where you want it. Then when I'm okay with my cut crease, I take a generous amount of concealer to make the cut crease more prominent. Just draw the cut crease along and above the fold. Then I cover all my inner lid with the concealer. And after that, I use my finger to blend out the edges so there's no harsh lines. If there's too much concealer on your lid, you can use the beauty blender to blend out and take out the excess at the same time. After that, I use a shader brush with this shade in the Modern Renaissance palette to fill in my lid right where I put the concealer. With glitter eyeshadow, you can use your finger to apply to get a better payoff, or spray the brush with some water. I just use the brush for more precise application. To make this look more glam, I will put on a purple wing eyeliner with this small angle brush. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Brush number 14. I have a few eyeliner tutorials on my channel, so if you're interested, you can find them in the description box below. Now to make the cut crease pop out more, I use the same flat brush to take some purple and go over the edges of the cut crease. Be careful not to make it too thick. You can ruin everything just in 1 second. so go slow and steady. Next step, I will do highlighting with this cream liner from COVERGIRL. I use a brown liner as I want to create a soft look. Using a black liner can be too bold for this look. Then I curl my lashes, apply mascara, and put on falsies. The mascara I use is the COVERGIRL Lash Blast Clean Waterproof Mascara. And the falsies are from Kiss. I choose Wispy and FENTY lashes because I don't want the falsies to conceal all of my hard work. Finally, I will complete this look by applying the eyeshadow on my lower lash line and blend out. Then apply some mascara on the lower lashes. And this is the final look. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.